Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A3 Saloon Edition 1 with the 35 TFSI engine and the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 1.5 litre petrol engine you get 147 brake horsepower with 250 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 8.1 seconds, and whilst all looking very smart and sporty altogether. On the front wheel, these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid design alloy wheels finish in matte grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork. The boot lid can be released with a touch of the button or a double press of the boot button on the key. This reveals plenty of storage space for your everyday belongings, as well as ample room for your weekend away luggage. The interior is finished in Edition 1 specific leather and Alcantara seats with contrasting diamond stitching for maximum luxury, and bringing up the comfort, we have the centre armrest with dual cup holders and rear air vents so the rear passengers get a taste of that precious air conditioning. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. Moving into the front, we have the flat-bottomed S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual-zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control for mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. Never feel disconnected with the central touchscreen display, as you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, which gives you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And thanks to the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you do like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.